Hi everyone, my name is Ryann Canfield, and today I'm going to be telling you guys about the process of meiosis. Meiosis is cell division of sex reproducing cells. So you start with a single cell that divides twice, creating a total number of 4 cells. They're called haploid daughter cells. And each chromosome that you get is from each parent. You have 23 chromosomes from each parent, adding up to 46 total. What is the difference between meiosis and mitosis? Mitosis is the same first 4 steps we're going to learn about in a minute. It's more for if you cut yourself, it's going to make the same exact body cells you had before. And meiosis creates 4 different cells. They're all different, and they're sperm and egg cells. So prophase 1 is when all the chromatin from each of your parents line up and they create chromosomes, and then those chromosomes cross over, and the nucleus dissolves and spindles start to form. Spindly fibers, the yellow things start to form. The green thing would dissolve the nucleus, and those red and blue would cross over. We'll say the blue is your mom chromatin, your dad's the red chromatin. Metaphase 1, all the chromosomes line up in the middle, and the spindly fibers that are formed at the tops pull. What's next? Are forming, and they all line up in the middle of the cell. The next phase, they get pulled apart from these spindly fibers, creating two new cells. So in this phase, the nucleus is back, and there's 2 new cells. The spindly fibers are completely gone; those dissolved, but we are left with 2 different cells. After these 2 cells are created, new spindles start to form, as you see, and there's not a crossover in this phase. Isn't as exciting. It's just basically these yellow things are starting to form. Metaphase 2, they line up exactly in the middle of the cell, as you see in these 2 pictures, and the spindles go to the opposite ends of the cells. In anaphase 2, the chromosomes are getting split into chromatin again, and the spindly fibers pull them to opposite poles in both cells, as you can see. And the nucleus is dissolved after prophase 2, so there's no nucleus. These pictures are just bad examples. Telophase is that 2 new nucleus are formed, creating a total of 4 cells, and there's all the normal like mitochondria that are in the cells, normal cell things that you would have. And then, why is meiosis important? Meiosis ensures that you don't end up with 2 of the same chromosomes, and that there's variation in your genes and DNA, and that we're not all basically the same person, because we couldn't create more kids or anything like that if we all had the same DNA and it all pretty much came out disabled, and there'd be a lot of diseases like cancer and all that kind of stuff. Thanks. If you have any questions, comment them down below, and here are my sources. Thank you. Good.